Dogecoin cost commonly equivalent to $0.0906 a coin in a very large manner. The present exchange cost range, 0.0882 to 0.0949, which especially is very huge. The earlier day close, 0.0905 in a very large way. The change generally was plus 0.0001, plus 0.11%, which basically is genuinely critical. Reverse rate, USD to Doge in a significant way. Dogecoin value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Dogecoin cost expectation on Tuesday, April 18, cost $0.092, kind of most extreme 0.098, certainly least 0.086 and in every practical sense, large way. Dogecoin conjecture on Wednesday, April 19, cost $0.092, most extreme 0.098, really least 0.086, which in every practical sense is genuinely critical. Dogecoin cost expectation on Thursday, April 20, cost $0.093, lovely greatest 0.100, most certainly least 0.086 in an unobtrusive way. In multi-week Dogecoin cost forecast on Monday, April 24, cost $0.096, essentially most extreme 0.103, by and large least 0.089, fundamentally as opposed to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, April 25, cost $0.095, essentially most extreme 0.102, exceptionally least 0.088, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Dogecoin cost forecast on Wednesday, April 26, cost $0.097, beautiful greatest 0.104, especially least 0.090, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin figure on Thursday, April 27, cost $0.099, especially most extreme 0.106, exceptionally least 0.092, or so they basically thought. Dogecoin cost expectation on Friday, April 28, cost $0.098, truly greatest 0.105, truly least 0.091, exceptionally as opposed to prevalent thinking. In about 14 days Dogecoin figure on Monday, May 1, cost $0.094, kind of most extreme 0.101, lovely least 0.087. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 2, cost $0.087, kind of most extreme 0.093, really least 0.081 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 3, cost $0.085, sort of most extreme 0.091, kind of least 0.079 in an unpretentious way. Dogecoin cost forecast on Thursday, May 4, cost $0.099, truly most extreme 0.106, by and large least 0.092. So in multi-week Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, April 24, cost $0.096, genuinely greatest 0.103, truly least 0.089. Dogecoin estimate on Friday, May 5, cost $0.099, for the most part greatest 0.106, least 0.092, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. In 3 weeks Dogecoin cost expectation on Monday, May 8, cost $0.096, beautiful greatest 0.103, by and large least 0.089, especially in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, May 9, cost $0.102, extremely greatest 0.109, kind of least 0.095, genuinely in opposition to prevalent thinking. Dogecoin cost expectation on Wednesday, May 10, cost $0.106, essentially greatest 0.113, truly least 0.099, which generally is very huge. In about a month Dogecoin estimate on Monday, May 15, cost $0.108, extremely greatest 0.116, for the most part least 0.100, or so they thought. Dogecoin cost forecast on Tuesday, May 16, cost $0.106, especially most extreme 0.113, genuinely least 0.099, which really is genuinely critical. Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, May 17, cost $0.106, sort of greatest 0.113, fundamentally least 0.099 in an unpretentious way. USD to Doge swapping scale equivalent to 11.0424 coins per $1 in a significant manner. Today, S-reach 105396113417 in an unobtrusive way. The past day, S nearby, 11.0509, showing that in about 14 days Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 1, cost $0.094, kind of most extreme 0.101, genuinely least 0.087 in a genuinely significant way. Change for now 0.0085, 0.08%, which for the most part is very huge. USD to Doge cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Tuesday, April 18, cost 10.870 coins, kind of greatest 11.628, kind of least 10.204, which in a real sense is genuinely huge. USD to Doge forecast on Wednesday, April 19, cost 10.870 coins, especially greatest 11.628, truly least 10.204 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Thursday, April 20, cost 10.753 coins, greatest 11.628, least 10.000 in a very significant way. USD to Doge forecast on Friday, April 21, cost 10.309 coins, for the most part greatest 11.111, lovely least 9.615 in an unpretentious way. In multi-week dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Monday, April 24, cost 10.417 coins, especially greatest 11.236, kind of least 9.709. USD to Doge expectation on Tuesday, April 25, cost 10.526 coins, in every practical sense, greatest 11.364, genuinely least 9.804, which sort of is genuinely huge. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Wednesday, April 26, cost 10.309 coins, lovely greatest 11.111, in every way that really matters, least 9.615 in an extremely significant way. USD to Doge forecast on Thursday, April 27, cost 10.101 coins, most certainly greatest 10.870, especially least 9.434. Dollar to Dogecoin estimate on Friday, April 28, cost 10.204 coins, most certainly greatest 10.989, all things considered, least 9.524 in an unpretentious way. Dollar to Dogecoin gauge on Tuesday, May 2, cost 11.494 coins, especially greatest 12.346, by and large least 10.753, truly as opposed to prevalent thinking. USD to Doge expectation on Wednesday, May 3, cost 11.765 coins, genuinely greatest 12.658, kind of least 10.989 in an unobtrusive way. Dollar to Dogecoin figure on Thursday, May 4, cost 10.101 coins, truly greatest 10.870, truly least 9.434. USD to Doge expectation on Friday, May 5, cost 10.101 coins, certainly most extreme 10.870, genuinely least 9.434 in a genuinely significant way. In 3 weeks dollar to Dogecoin conjecture on Monday, May 8, cost 10.417 coins, genuinely greatest 11.236, truly least